The USA is a place filled with innovators, movie makers, record breakers, rock and rollers, and possible dreamers. USA Today is a forum for better understanding and unity to help make the USA truly one nation. We are USA Today. We are not from a particular city or a particular worldview. Our vision is broader, and we're here to help Americans do their thing, whatever that may be. We're connecting them to the stories they care about, not only telling, but showing, and providing tools that let our readers take action. The U.S. is a set of ideas, stories, beliefs that are being discussed and revised daily. Welcome to the innovative, essential news source for the USA Today and tomorrow. We are reclaiming our leadership in visual storytelling with a new brand identity that's as dynamic as the news itself. It's an expression of our editorial voice and vice versa. We're producing content that reflects the shared American experience, spirit, and conversation. In the end, our product is not paper or silicon. Our products are understanding and utility. At USA Today, we're not trying to bring an imaginary America to life. We're trying to help Americans live the life they always imagined. USA Today. Join the nation's conversation.